Alright, this is my 2005 Dixie Chopper Silver Eagle Edition. Silver Eagle Series, whatever. It's got 825 hours. It's, what was that, 14, we got it the summer of 04, so it's roughly 14 years old now. All I've done to this thing, we had to put a governor in the engine. I had to put a new clutch in about 3 years ago, and then one deck bearing, and that's it. This thing has been a great mower. Yeah, 825 hours in 14 years. That's maybe what, 50 hours a year, which ain't really that much, but I've had it pretty rough yards, and I've had it buried up to the hubs in mud, and I've definitely used it, and it's very well built and just been a great mower. Should have bought two of them if we'd have known it would have been this good. .27 horsepower Generac engine, very smooth running engine. My buddy has a mower. It's a Dixie Chopper. It had the Briggs & Stratton, and it just didn't feel like it would really get into under a load and pull. It just seemed like it bogged down. And this one, you start getting to some thick grass and the throttle starts opening, you can really feel it. RPMs doesn't drop. It just, I mean, you can really feel the engine working, and it keeps the RPMs up and keeps the blade speed up. looked at getting an X mark, and of course this was in 2004. The X marks, they had one hydraulic pump for both wheels, one pump and two wheel motors. And the thing that we really liked, the Dixie choppers had two pumps and then two wheel motors. And when we went to the Dixie chopper dealership, they had maybe 5 mowers to be serviced and repaired. We went to the X-Mark dealer, and their yard was just absolutely full of mowers getting repairs. Don't know what they were there for, but you know, as we were looking, that just kind of made an impression, and we ended up going with the chopper, and couldn't be happier with it. But if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. I try to post a video about once a week, so thanks for watching.